To unlock your EBT card online, follow these simple steps. First, go to the website of your state's EBT provider or the website listed on the back of your EBT card. This website will have a login portal where you can access your account information. Next, click on the login button and enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, date of birth, and EBT card number. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Account Management or Card Management section of the website. Here, you should see an option to reset or unlock your EBT card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to unlock your card. You may be asked to provide some security information, such as your card number, PIN, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is to verify your identity and ensure that you are the authorized user of the EBT card. After you have provided the required information, your EBT card should be unlocked and you should be able to use it to make purchases or access your benefits. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact the customer service number listed on the website or on the back of your EBT card for assistance. It is also important to note that if your EBT card is locked due to suspected fraud or other security concerns, you may need to contact your state's EBT provider directly to resolve the issue. In this case, you may need to provide additional documentation or information to verify your identity and unlock your card. To avoid having your EBT card locked in the future, make sure to keep your account information and PIN secure, and only use your card for authorized purchases. You should also regularly check your account balance and transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you should be able to unlock your EBT card online and access your benefits without any issues. Remember to always keep your account information secure and contact customer service if you need any assistance.